how do we solve for x here? We are given x equals to 9 times square root of 9 x raised to half. All right. Now, I would like to bring this 9 out. Okay. Don't forget that square root of 9 is 3. So I can say x equals to 9. Okay. Times. So we can write this one as square root of 9 times. Okay, let's square root of 9 times square root of x raised to half. Okay, so from here we can say x 9 times, so this side will be 3 times square root of x raised to half. So 9 3 with 27, so we have x equals to 27 with x raised to half. Okay, so I would like to get rid of the 27 here. Okay, so from here 27 this side will cancel, so I have x on 27 equals to square root of x raised to half. Okay, so from here I can get rid of the square root here. Okay, so what I will do here is to square both sides. So if I do that, this one squared, this one will cancel this, so I have x raised to half, which is the same as square root of x, and we have x squared on, so 27 squared on the calculator will be 729. So we have x squared on 729 equals to, so we can still make it square root of x because a exponent half the same as square root of a, or you can maintain it then move on. Okay, so we have this information. Now from here we can square this one again. Okay, so this side will go, I will leave it x squared on 729 all squared equals x. So all right, so that will be x to the power of 4 on 729 squared. So 7, that will be very huge. Okay, that will be 531,441 equals to x. So over 1. So I have x to the power of 4 equals to 531,441 x. Okay, so from here x to the power of 4 minus 531,441 x equals 0. So if I take x out, this side will be x cubed minus 531,441, okay, equals to 0. Okay, So all right, so from here I can say x equals 0 following the 0 product. X equals 0 or x cube minus 531441. Okay, so per what we have here, x minus, so this side is same as 81 times 81 times 81 equal to 0. So that will be s cube minus 81 cube equals to 0. Okay, so if we are to go by the difference of cubes, this side will be a cube minus b cube, which is a minus b. We have a squared minus, sorry, plus the product ab plus b squared. So that will be x minus 81, and this side will be x squared plus 81x plus 81 squared is equal to 0. So from here, x minus 81 equal to 0. Then we have x squared plus 81x plus 81 squared, which will be complex. So 81 squared on the calculator will be 6561 equal to 0. Okay, so we have x equals to 81. Now let's look for the other solutions here. So let's go by the method of computing of squares. So x squared plus 81x equals to minus 6561. Let's take half of 81. That will be 81 on 2. So we have x squared plus 81 plus 81 on 2 squared. 81 on 2 squared minus 6561. So that will be x plus 81 on 2 or squared equals to, so 81 squared, that will be 6561 on 4 minus 6561 1. Okay, all right, so I think the answer will be complex. So the LCM is 4 on the left, the right hand side 4 here 1, that will be 6561 minus, so 1 into 8 will be 4 times this will be the calculator 26244 26244. So that will be 6561 minus that will be minus 19683 on 4. So take square root. So that will be x plus 81 on 2 equals plus or minus. So this side will be 1983 196 A3 on 4I because of this. So we can say x equals to minus 81 on 2 plus or minus have 196 I on 2. Okay, so that will be x equals to, we have this minus 81 plus or minus square root of 19683 I on 2. Okay, so square root of this will be minus 81 plus or minus 81 root 3 on 2I. So that's the complex part of the question. Okay, so we have 4 solutions. We have 2 here, and we have 3, then we have the fourth one, x equals to 0. Okay,